Hey, welcome back. In the first part of this video, we covered some creative and uncommon passive income ideas, including how to use affiliate marketing and niche websites to generate cash flow. But we're not done yet, and there's still so many unique ways to boost your income and cover that rent. In the second half, I've got even more exciting unconventional strategies lined up for you. So stay tuned because the best ideas are yet to come. All right, let's move on to selling digital products. This can be anything from ebooks, design, templates, or online courses. Platforms like Gumroad or Udemy allow you to list these products, and once you create them, it's mostly passive income. The beauty of this model is that you can create something once and it can keep selling forever. Imagine waking up to new sales notifications while you sleep. Sounds good, right? All right, rent out the equipment. Got specialized gear like cameras, drones, or even power tools? You can rent out your equipment through platforms like Fat Llama or ShareGrid. This idea is perfect if you have high value items that are used sparingly. Instead of letting your gear collect dust, let it earn money for you, especially if you're in a location where people need short-term rentals for creative projects or events. If you have a good speaking voice, you could start earning a passive income by narrating audiobooks. Websites like ACX connect authors and narrators for each audio book sold. You earn a royalty. This means you can record the book once and the income continues to roll in each time somebody buys it. It's a creative and rewarding way to make passive income, especially if you enjoy reading or performing. Content monetization. With affiliate products, here's a golden opportunity to blend affiliate marketing with content creation. Whether you have a blog, podcast, YouTube channel, you can use affiliate marketing to recommend products and services relevant to your niche. For example, if you're a fitness blogger, you can promote workout gear, protein supplements, or online fitness courses. Creating content people trust make them more likely to click on your affiliate links and purchase. Once your content gains traction, the affiliate commissions can become a very steady source of passive income. High interest savings accounts. Let's return to something more traditional but less effective. High interest savings accounts, while more flashy than affiliate marketing or owning an ATM, it's a super low risk way of earning a passive income online. Online banks typically offer much higher interest rates than traditional banks, meaning your savings will grow faster. It's one of those set and forget it strategies where your money is quietly working for you. Peer-to-peer car sharing. Yep. Do you have a car that sits idle most of the time? Peer-to-peer car sharing platforms like Turo or GetAround let you rent your vehicle when you're not using it. It's like an Airbnb but for cars. If you live in a city or near popular destinations, you can make significant passive income by renting your car to tourists or locals needing transportation. This is perfect for anyone with a second vehicle, or if you mostly use public transportation but own a car. Up next is the most classic forms of passive income: dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in these stocks, you receive regular payments for holding them. Companies pay dividends from their profits, and you can reinvest them to grow your portfolio even more. While this idea requires some upfront investment, it's a tried and true method for building a long-term, steady passive income. License out your photography. Got a passion for photography? You can license your photos on stock images platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Every time someone downloads your photo, you get a royalty payment. The great part about this is that once your photos are uploaded, they can earn you passive income for years, whether you're into landscape, portrait, or product photography. There's always a demand in high quality images. Build a niche affiliate blogs. Another smart affiliate marketing strategy to build a niche affiliate blogs. You're passionate about eco-friendly products, digital nomad lifestyles, or kitchen gadgets, create a blog focused on a niche and fill it with in-depth reviews, guides, and products recommendations. Add affiliate links throughout as your audience grows. So does your affiliate commissions. Once your content is up, it continues to bring in traffic and earning even when you're not actually actively working on it. Sell advertising space on your blog. Finally, once your blog or website starts attracting steady traffic, you can sell advertising space to businesses in your niche. You can do this manually by contacting companies or using platforms like Google AdSense to display ads automatically. Every time someone clicks on an ad, you earn money. The more traffic your site gets, the more passive income you can make. It's like turning your blog into a digital billboard that pays you every month. So there you have, altogether, 22 uncommon passive income ideas to pay your rent in 2024. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, real estate, or even vending machines, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and passive income. And thanks for watching. This is Scott. Peace out.